Experiencing problems sending picture messages on Rogers? You're not alone. Rogers MMS issues often stem from incorrect access point name settings or outdated carrier updates. First, let's tackle APN settings. Your APN acts as a gateway, connecting your phone to Rogers' network for MMS. An incorrect APN prevents messages from routing correctly. To fix this, manually verify your APN settings. The correct APN for MMS is media.com, the MMSC is https://ms.gprs.rogers.com, and the MS proxy is msproxy.rogers.com 80. Rogers also sends automatic updates, so ensure your device is up to date by going to Settings, General, About on iOS, or Settings, System Update on Android. This will fix any bugs and enable new features. Another common MMS problem is exceeding the size limit. Rogers has increased MMS size limits to 2 megabytes for select plans in January 2025, but if your media is too large, it won't send. Try compressing your images and videos before sending. This reduces file size while maintaining quality. Or consider switching to Rich Communication Services, RCS. RCS offers a superior experience with larger file support up to 100 megabytes and features like end-to-end encryption, read receipts, and typing indicators. Here's how RCS compares to MMS and SMS. Rogers has fully integrated RCS, allowing for richer, more reliable media sharing without the limitations of MMS. While MMS is still around as a fallback, RCS is the future of messaging. With Rogers leading RCS adoption in Canada, users can enjoy seamless media sharing and advanced features that MMS simply can't match.